What's up guys, welcome back to the Motor Marvin's YouTube channel. Today we are going to remove the wrap from the Honda Dio. First we will remove the front fairing so we can remove the wrap more easily. Guys, I just can't wait to see the beautiful Atlantic blue color. Hope there isn't that much damage. I guess we will have to find out. There are 2 screws in the back. We will unscrew them both. And there is 1 screw in the front. We will unscrew that too. Also, we'll take off the rubber around the brake master cylinder. Now we can remove it, but carefully so we don't break any plastic clips. Now we will take off the indicators and light. So guys, I unwrapped it and found some paint damage, but it isn't that big of a problem. Now we will remove the back fairing. First we'll undo the nut on the carrier, then we'll undo the 3 nuts on the seat, 1 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Let's undo the oil cap. Now let's take the seat off of the scooty. Let's undo that remaining nut on the carrier and take it off. Now we'll unscrew that 1 screw on the fairing. Let's take off the fairing. As you guys can see, the scooty is really dirty. It's all greasy and needs good cleaning to get the engine bay spotless. Let's quickly remove the wrap from the fairing by doing a magic trick. Now we'll take out the spark plug to see if it's in good condition or not. The spark plug is not in good condition. We'll replace it in the next video. We'll now fit all the scooty together really quick. Here's how the scooty looks after removing the wrap, and there's not that much damage to be worried about. New amazing content is coming. Guys, please support our channel to keep us motivated. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share the video. Bye bye.